Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix AI issues with Google Cloud step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the AI issue you're facing within Google. Gather relevant details about the error message or problem behavior. Log into your Google Cloud Console using your Google account. Navigate to the AI and Machine Learning section in the left sidebar. Locate the specific AI service or product that is causing the issue. Click on the service to access its dashboard. Review any notifications or alerts related to the service. Check the service status to ensure there are no outages affecting it. Consult the documentation for the specific service for troubleshooting guidance. Verify that your configurations match the recommended settings in the documentation. Examine your project's quota usage to ensure you haven't exceeded limits. Inspect your API keys and service account permissions. If applicable, check the training data or model version you are using. Try to reproduce the issue with a simplified version of your input. Use Google Cloud's debug tools to analyze logs and track problems. Adjust your model parameters or retrain the model if necessary. If you're experiencing performance issues, consider scaling your resources. Engage with Google Cloud support if you're not able to resolve the issue yourself. Document your findings and steps taken for future reference. Test your solution to confirm that the issue is fixed. Monitor the service closely for any recurrence of the problem. Keep your documentation updated with any changes made during this process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.